welcome to you from outside the 80 crore Jayalalitha Memorial built along the Marina Beach Road in Chennai. In fact, when Jayalalitha died in 2016, she was laid to rest inside this MGR Memorial, the memorial of her mentor, former Chief Minister M.G. Ramachandran. And this comes on a day when Jayalalitha's friend Sasikala would be released from a Bengaluru jail after serving a 4-year term following her conviction in the disproportionate assets case in which Ms. Jayalalitha was the prime accused. In fact, before leaving for jail 4 years ago, Sasikala had come to this memorial and took a vow. And that's why the date becomes very significant. Elections are just 4 months away in Tamil Nadu, and the ruling AIADMK wants to also make this into a huge political event. Thousands of party cadre have flocked to this area from all across Tamil Nadu. In fact, many are pointing fingers at the compromise in terms of COVID safety. Many are not wearing masks. There is no physical distancing, and many are worried that this could lead to another spike in COVID cases, particularly at a time when the state is witnessing a decline in numbers. The state Congress chief K. Alagiri has pointed fingers at how the government has spent around 80 crore public money for a person who, if she was alive, would have been convicted. The Supreme Court upheld the case after Jayalalitha died, and all the other 3 members, including Sasikala, Jayalalitha's friend, were convicted for 4 years in the disproportionate assets case. DMK chief M.K. Stalin has called this a political drama, and he has raked up the issue of the probe surrounding what he calls the mystery behind Jayalalitha's death, how Deputy Chief Minister OPS had rebelled against Sasikala, demanded a probe. Although a probe by a retired judge was constituted, it has been stalled, and for almost 10 times the Deputy Chief Minister has sought adjournment. Well, joining us now, Prashant, a young cadre who is also an active member of the IT cadre of AIADMK. Prashant, how do you look at this memorial, construction of this memorial?
It is a temple for us. We worship Purushi Thalaivi Amma.
How do you respond to criticism by the opposition parties in Tamil Nadu that the government should not have spent public money of 80 crore for this memorial because all others who were included in the disproportionate assets case were convicted by the Supreme Court? Jayalalitha was the prime accused in that case.
Party like DMK and their leader M.K. Stalin are always saying fake allegations against our party. They don't have any proof. They don't have any certain documents to prove that we are.
It's a fact that the Supreme Court upheld the conviction of all others except Jayalalitha in the case, and Jayalalitha escaped because she died earlier.
No, not at all. To us, she is a god. She is a god. We worship her.
Right.
How come she will be a convict? She is a god. It was constructed based on our request. We worship. We need a temple. She is our god.
And elections are just 4 months away. What are the prospects for AIADMK? Will AIADMK win now?
Surely, 100%. Our leaders are so strong. Such a dynamic leader, OPS and EPS.
Right. Thank you so much, Prashant, for your time. And the AIADMK cadre quite excited and justifying the construction of this memorial for Ms. Jayalalitha. Outside Jayalalitha's memorial with Suresh, Sam Daniel for NDTV.